In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change this XIAOMI's theme. Begin by accessing Themes app and clicking on Home at the bottom left corner. Then click on Themes at the top and pick the best one for you. You can also tap on one of those options. Select Categories at the bottom in the middle and tap on one of the available ones. Or click on the search bar at the top and type in wherever you wish to. After finding the perfect theme, click on it. Then select the download at the bottom and select Apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, when I go back, I can see that theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, you can always access Themes app again. But this time click on My account at the bottom right corner and click on Themes section at the top. Then click on Classic or Limitless and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!